Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, مِنْهَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ وَفِيهَا نُعِيدُكُمْ وَمِنْهَا نُخْرِجُكُمْ تَارَةً أُخْرَى. That it is from the earth that we have created you, i.e. the dust. And to the earth we shall return you. And from the earth we shall extract you once again. Allah created us, the bodies, from the dust of the earth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not create. In fact, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not create our bodies from any element of the heavens. They say that we are stardust. That every part of us, every cell of us, comes from this world, this universe. In fact, even stardust. So parts of us may be constituted by particles that have come from stars. Still, whichever galaxy or another part of the universe that our cells ultimately come from, this universe or these universes, the multisense, are still from the lower world, other than the heavens. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created our bodies from the earth, from the lower world, from the dust of the earth. But the spirit, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the spirit, the ruh, in the heavens. Its place is heaven. And the place of the body is the earth. And each being's nourishment will come from its original source. The body was created from this world. So the food of the body, the nourishment of the body will come from this world. Vegetation. Or even meat. The animals feed on the vegetation of the earth. So whether we eat meat, whether we eat fish, whether we eat vegetables, this food comes from this world, because the nourishment and the support for each being, i.e. the body, must come from the same source. Our bodies come from this world. The food and nourishment of this body will come from this world. But the spirit is not from this world. It's from the heavens. And the nourishment and the food of the spirit can never come from food and drink. It's alien to it. The nourishment and food of the spirit, of the ruh, comes from the heavens, which is the Holy Quran. It's a revelation. It's a dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The ruh is from the heavens. Its food will also come from the heavens. The body is from the earth. Its food will also come from the earth. And yet what do we do? For every day of our lives, we spend all our time, our money, our attention on just the physical body. In fact, we don't have the means, unless we pay attention to it, to nourish our ruh and our spirit. So what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us is that for at least 1 month of the year, you will be forced to starve your bodies so that you can feed your soul. For 1 month of the year, you will starve your bodies so that you can pay more attention to feeding and nourishing and caring for your starved soul. This is the purpose of fasting.